What's up, guys? So, I just want to say, hey, what's up, Facebook? What's up, YouTube? What you guys doing? Okay. I'm hoping you sharing and liking, and feeling myself. It's not the holidays. Why I click that? Because I'm just doing me. I'm just doing different things, just trying to make different avenues for all the ladies. And I want y'all to know, look, I am beautiful. Big to beautiful, aka Shaquita told me that I am beautiful. So put the news out. You gotta know. You gotta know that, hey, I'm beautiful. You know what? And it's time to stop all the BS with these ratchet niggas. Oh, that stuff's so cold, okay? It's so ancient. We ain't got time for it no more, okay? We're gonna just get it all over, get it all out, be like, nigga, I ain't even fight. I'm fighting. So, so let's just do us, okay, ladies? Let's just be beautiful. Let's just stay on our grind. Let's just do our thing, you heard me? So, let's just do us. Let's just be us. Let's just love us and let everybody know that, hey, it is what it is, because I'm going to do me, and I hope that you gon' do you. And you know what? Tell them Big to Beautiful said them losers got to be out of my life. You heard me? Bam. In your face. It's done. It's said. See ya.